Hello everyone, I am Wang. Here we are at the Hong Kong International Airport. It's located in Chek Lap Kok. In Mandarin, it's called Chilajiao. In 2024, the airport handled almost 53 million passengers, ranking it around 9th in the world. Back then, every time I arrived at or departed from Hong Kong Airport, I never thought that there was anything particularly special about it. But after visiting many other airports around the world in recent years, I've come to realize that Hong Kong Airport does have some features I find quite special. It's not only big, but it also always looks new and super clean. Terminal 1 has 90 boarding gates, but if your flight is from gate 201 to 230 or 501 to 510, which are for smaller planes, you will need to first take the automated people mover to get there. In Chinese, it's usually called 自动旅客捷运系统, but honestly, I don't care what it is called. The direction signs are clear enough to get you where you need to go. These days, Hong Kong Airport is actively promoting self-check-in. It's a bit slower compared to the UK, but they're doing a pretty decent job with the rollout. After passing through security, you are greeted with tons of food options, to the point you don't even know what to choose, unlike UK airports. Airport has lots of tables so you can enjoy your meal comfortably. But in UK airport, do you find it just as inconvenient as I do? Let me know in the comments. Here's one thing I absolutely love about Hong Kong Airport. They provide free hot water. Yes, free hot water. Sorry, I am obsessed with drinking hot water. Anyway, I arrived way too early today. The self-check-in took me less than 10 minutes. So I still had over 3 hours to kill. I wandered around and something suddenly caught my eye. Sky Garden. Wow, finally, a nice place to relax. Sounds so serene and peaceful. Let's imagine what it could be like. Dun, dun, dun. What the hell? It's a smoking area. Why not just call it that? Why dress it up with such a lovely name when it's clearly not for everyone? One big change in Hong Kong Airport in recent years is this. You no longer need to scan anything when going through security or boarding. You just stand in front of a scanning machine, look into the camera, and that's it. You are through. Which also means don't commit crimes or you will be caught very easily. Alright, it's boarding time now. Guess where I'm flying to?